This photo shows how the lens become foggy, reducing the intensity of your headlights and making night driving more challenging. To refinish, you can leave the headlight assembly installed and mask off the surrounding components. However, it's quite easy to remove the headlight assembly. I prefer to do it this way. I will show photos alternating from both methods, headlights installed and removed. If you want to remove the headlights, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. If you have the headlight out, you're going to remove the painted trim piece. Press the release tab and remove it from the headlight assembly. Thoroughly clean the lens with soap and water, then let it dry. Mask the body surrounding the headlight. I like to double up the tape in case I hit it while sanding, which is inevitable. I also like to slide the tape between the body and the headlight lens. This adds a little extra strength to the masking job. Once completely masked, you can begin the sanding process. Begin by sanding the lens with 500 grit sandpaper. Sand in circular direction, going across the entire length of the lens to remove any stains or dark spots. Wipe off the dust frequently with a rag and replace the sandpaper as needed. Keep sanding until all of the stains are removed. If the lens looks like this, green arrow, you are ready to continue to the next step. If it looks like the yellow arrow, continue sanding. The lens should have an even white look. Now sand the lens with 800 grit sandpaper. Wipe off the dust frequently with a rag and replace the sandpaper as needed. Keep sanding until all the stains are removed and all the scratches from the 500 grit sandpaper have been removed. It shows what a headlight lens after sanding with 800 grit should look like. Spray the lens and the sandpaper with water and now sand the lens with 1000 grit wet sandpaper. Wipe off the dust frequently and change the sandpaper as needed. Keep sanding until all the scratches from the 800 grit sandpaper have been removed. If the lens dries out while sanding, add a light mist of water. Move up to 3000 grit sandpaper and proceed the same procedure with wetting the sandpaper and lenses and sanding. Once done wet sanding, polish the lens with rubbing compound. Apply the compound to your polishing pad. Then polish the headlight until all the scratches are gone. This will take elbow grease. The more time you take, the better it will come out. Once you are done, you can polish it with plastic polish if you like. This can really increase the outcome. I find it looks a little better than just rubbing compound. When done, remove the masking tape, then wash and dry the headlight lens. If you've taken them out, reinstall them. Otherwise, remove the tape and you are done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.